Meet Nanas OS, a fully open-source Debian-based operating system developed entirely by a team of Malaysian engineers. We're on a mission to turn legacy x86 PCs into powerful AI workstations. Nanas OS comes with a pre-configured AI stack ready for AI agents, local AI models, and Vision AI right out of the box. Usually, setting up these tools requires expert system knowledge. The project has done the heavy lifting, so anyone can enjoy AI era without the complex configuration. This project is more than just another operating system. It's a mission to inspire Malaysian engineers to master OS software engineering. So, don't just download the pre-built artifacts, but start building your own OS from this base and contribute. Back to our growing Malaysian ecosystem. Nanas OS is 100% open source. That means it's free for everyone to use it for your personal projects or even your business without paying any license fees. No strings attached, just pure Malaysian engineering for you to own and use. Let's see what Nanas OS can do. Every demo you're about to see is captured on real, legacy hardware, an Intel Kaby Lake PC from 2017. No virtual machines, just raw performance. On old silicon, this demo shows just our basic out-of-the-box stack. We're inviting you the engineers to take this foundation, add your own tools, and build your own unique flavor of OS. Don't just use it, evolve it. Think about how you consume information. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you can now message your home server from your phone. OpenClaw acts as your personal newsroom. It scans the web, filters the noise, and sends a concise summary of exactly what you care about directly to your WhatsApp. We all have thousands of family photos buried in old folders. Now, you don't have to upload them to a giant corporation's cloud to find them. Just ask Telegram to find a memory from years ago. OpenClaw reaches into your secure local storage, finds that specific photo, and sends it to your phone instantly. Think of a llama as the powerful engine running locally on your old machine. It brings world-class AI directly to your own hardware, so it works entirely offline. The best part, unlike cloud AI services that charge you every month, Ollama is totally free to use. There are no subscription fees and no limits on how much you can experiment. Because the brain is sitting right in front of you, your data never leaves your home. Your old computer becomes a private, dedicated assistant that's always ready to help without costing you a cent. Think of Intel, OpenVINO, and DL Streamer as a smart eye for any camera. It lets your computer instantly recognize person, faces, objects, count people, or spot safety hazards in real time. It's incredibly fast, runs on your old PC, and turns standard video into smart, helpful information out of the box. Finally, think of Jupyter Lab as your digital laboratory. It's an easy-to-use workspace right on your machine where you can test your AI models in real time. You can use it to experiment with your Ollama brains or fine-tune your OpenVINO smart eyes, all in one place. It's the perfect playground for students and engineers to learn, code, and see their AI ideas come to life completely out of the box. To the OS developers, our repository is open. Whether you're reporting bugs, localizing content, or customizing a new packages, just modify a single config file and follow our 4-step build process to create your own operating system and free distribute it to anyone. Your contribution fuels Malaysia's engineering future. Download the repo, test the project, and let's build a self-reliant Malaysia together. The repo is live, and the future is yours. For those who want Nanas OS ready-made out of the box, the pre-built raw image and ISO is linked in the description below. It's the perfect, free tool to revive your old devices for AI education and home labs. Download it now to start your AI lifestyle, and feel free to share it with your friends, schools, or anyone who needs it.